a very strange, enchanted boy. He said he would wander very far on the land and sea, a little shy instead of I, but very wise was he. And then one magic day came my way. And then we spoke of many things, food and kings. And he said to me, the greatest joy you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They said he wandered very far, over land and sea, a little shy instead of I, but very wise was he. And then one magic day, he came my way. Then we spoke of many things, full of kings. Then he said to me, the greatest joy